Thank you for joining Braid by Camille's, and today we'll be doing this box braid. So the hairstyle we want to work on today is the Bob Box Braid, and let's get started. You're going to cut out your first layer. I think for these braids in total I had about 7 layers, and I cut them medium sized. So for the first row I did cut three. Oh, sorry, cut four. And then the second will be cut five, and just like that. In case you still need some detailed explanation on how to cut out your braids, I have a video tutorial where I explained to details. So all we have to do when you cut it is to braid out, and this is me braiding out my hair. I have a tutorial showing how to achieve neat braids also. You could also check out that video because this video is a little bit fast forwarded, but I'll definitely show a part where it is kind of done slowly. So this part I'll do in slow motion so that you get every detail. So this is me creating a loop. That's what I do before I braid my hair. I create a loop, and if you notice, you realize that I did not pull out my extension hair in this tutorial because I'm trying to achieve the Bob Box braids, and I know I'm going to cut off the remaining tips. I decided not to stretch or pull out my extension. What I just did was to cut it into the desired length. Now to braid, I section my hair into three with my fingers, just like that. Yeah, and then I start braiding. So I guess that's pretty much everything about this tutorial. Really, this explains it all. You can repeat this section where I kind of did a slow-mo for you to get an anchor on how I braid my hair. Thank you. I think I'm doing a pretty good job. So what we do right now is to cut off the ends. I want to be able to measure out because I want everything to be the same length. And when I cut it off, I just use my lighter to kind of, burn out the tips. Then I come to the front and I just repeat the same thing. So for this kind of braid, where one side will be short and the other one will be long, it's a style of bob braid. What you like to do is to make sure that you measure out the length of the braids to make sure it's the same length with the other side. That's the way you get that look of one short, one high. And also you make sure you're holding your braids in the direction in which you want the bob to fall. Okay. um so once you do that, that's really the only technical thing about the style. Once you can achieve that, you are good to go. And this is the last braid. You have to see me dancing happy at this point. I think in all I spent about 3 hours for this style, which is really really good, and it came out so beautiful. So thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel in case you haven't done so. See you.